Let's break the noise. Let's break the noise. I've been walking through the shadows, no one ever cared. Dreams in my pocket, dust in the air. They said I'd fade, they said I'd fall, but now I'm rising, breaking every wall. Every doubt, every chain I burn. Lessons learned from the scars I've earned. No halo, just a heart that fights. I'm lightning born in city lights. All the pain made me feel alive. Turn it up, let the world collide. Break the noise, I'm done being silent. Turn the pain into something violent. Scream my name till the walls give in. I was born to rise again. Break the noise, yeah. Break the noise. Feel my fire, hear my voice. Yeah, they talk big, but they fade in smoke. I'm the real thing, not your hollow hope. Been knocked down, yeah, I've seen the dirt. Now I wear my scars like they're my merch. No more fear, no more disguise. I'm the chaos they can't sanitize. Every lyric a blade I throw. Cut the silence, let it blow. Raise your fist, don't play pretend. This is where the echoes end. Break the noise, I'm done being silent. Turn the pain into something violent. Scream my name till the walls give in. I was born to rise again. Break the noise, yeah. Break the noise. Feel my fire, hear my voice. This is not a dream, it's the war I fight. I'm the spark in the dark, I ignite the night. No fear, no chains, I'm taking the crown. The louder they hate, the harder I sound.